The 2025 Kia K5 GT-Line AWD is here, and it's rewriting the rulebook for mid-size sedans. With a bold, aggressive stance and a sleek silhouette that looks more like a sports coupe than a family sedan, the new K5 demands attention at every angle. Its redesigned front fascia is sharper than ever, featuring a blacked-out mesh grille, edgy LED daytime running lights, shaped like lightning bolts, and a lower bumper that screams performance. From the sculpted sides to the dual chrome exhaust tips and gloss black 18-inch alloy wheels, every inch of the K5 GT line is crafted to turn heads and break necks. But this car isn't just about looks, it's got serious muscle under the hood too. Powered by a 1.6-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, pushing out 180 horsepower and 195 lb-ft of torque, the K5 GT line AWD offers punchy acceleration and a surprisingly agile drive. The 8-speed automatic transmission shifts with precision, while the new all-wheel drive system gives you confidence on wet roads, snowy paths, or tight cornering situations. The handling feels tight, responsive, and sporty, yet balanced with just the right amount of comfort to make daily driving a breeze. It hugs the road, feels planted at high speeds, and delivers a level of refinement that's rare in its class. Step inside, and you're met with a cabin that feels far more luxurious than you'd expect at this price point. Premium Syntex sport seats with red contrast stitching, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and a panoramic sunroof create a dynamic yet upscale vibe. The tech game is strong here, featuring a crisp 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 10.25-inch touchscreen with navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and a booming Bose premium audio system. Add in advanced driver assistance features like forward collision avoidance, smart cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist, and you've got a smart, stylish, and safe sedan ready for anything. The 2025 Kia K5 GT-Line AWD isn't just a commuter, it's an experience. With its fusion of sporty performance, luxury-grade comfort, and head-turning design, this car punches way above its weight and brings fresh excitement to the sedan world. It's bold, it's confident, and it's exactly what modern driving should feel like.